In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort in Excel by column. Whether you're organizing your data for a presentation, preparing a report, or simply trying to make sense of a chunk of data, Excel's sorting feature is a powerful tool you'll want to know how to wield. Let's dive right into how you can sort your data in Excel by column in a way that's both simple and efficient. The journey begins by accessing the free online version of Microsoft 365. This suite includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, all available over the web, meaning you can access it from anywhere without needing the software installed on your computer. Once you launch your browser, head over to the Microsoft 365 online portal. You'll be asked to sign in, so go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Microsoft account to ensure a smooth login process. After typing in your email, you'll click on the next button to proceed. If you haven't signed in previously on this device, you might be asked to authenticate in other ways as well, by entering a password or confirming your identity through a verification code. This is standard practice to keep your data secure, so follow the prompts as they appear. Now that you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to an Excel document where your data is stored. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll be using an example Excel file that's conveniently located in my OneDrive cloud storage. This example will provide a clear picture of how sorting works in Excel. Once you open your document, you'll see your data laid out across various rows and columns. Identify the column you want to sort. Once you've laid eyes on it, click on it to highlight the entire column. This action tells Excel exactly which data you're looking to organize. Now, with your column selected, you're going to navigate to the Data tab located in the ribbon at the top of the screen. This section is where Excel houses all of its data manipulation tools, including sorting and filtering options. Once in the Data tab, look for the Sort Ascending button. It's typically represented by an A on top of a Z with an arrow pointing up. Clicking this button will sort your highlighted column in ascending order. This means your data will be reordered so that the lowest or earliest value appears at the top and the highest or latest at the bottom. After clicking Sort Ascending, a prompt may appear asking how you'd like to proceed with the sort. If your data is straightforward and you have no special instructions for Excel, clicking on Just Sort will do the trick. This instructs Excel to reorder your selected column's data without any further fuss. And voila! Just like that, you've successfully sorted a column in Excel. This technique can be applied to any number of columns and data types, whether you're working with numbers, dates, or text. Remember, sorting is not limited to ascending order. If you wish to sort your data in descending order, simply look for the Sort Descending button right next to the one we used today. Organizing your data is key to making it accessible and understandable. Whether it's a small table or a vast data set, sorting allows you to quickly find the information you need or present it in a logical, orderly way. I hope this tutorial has illuminated the process of sorting by column in Excel. It's a fundamental skill that, once mastered, can significantly enhance your data management capabilities. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and experiment with sorting different types of data to get comfortable with the process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Excel and other Microsoft 365 applications. Happy sorting!